Hello friends, welcome back to another video. In this video tutorial I will show you how to fix dead as disco gamepad or controller not working issue. So the very first method is to restart your PC. For that, click on Windows icon, click on power, select restart. This will restart your PC. Once your PC restarts, launch the game and check whether the controller is working or not. If not, next is to update your controller drivers. For that, you have to first connect your PC and controller, and after that go to the Windows search. Now search for device manager. Now here you have to expand human interface devices, select your controller, right click on it, click on update driver and then click on search automatically for drivers. So this will check and update your controller drivers. After that, launch the game and check whether the controller is working or not. Next is to verify integrity of game files. For that, go to Steam, select your game under library section, right click on it, click on properties, click on install files and then click on verify integrity of game files. So after the game files are verified, now launch the game and check whether the controller is working or not. Next is to enable or disable Steam input. For that, go to Steam, select your game under library section, right click on it, click on properties, click on controller, and here you have to select enable Steam input, and after that launch the game and check whether controller is working or not. If not, again come back, select disable Steam input and then check whether gamepad or controller is working or not. But if the issue continues, come back again, select use default settings and move to the next method. Next is to update Windows. For that, go to the Windows search for settings. After that, click on Windows Update, click on check for updates and wait for some time. If there is any update available, update your Windows to the latest version, and after that launch the game and check whether controller is working or not. Next is to remove controller and add it again. For that, go to the Windows search for settings. After that, here you have to click on Bluetooth and devices. Here your controller will be added. You have to first remove it. For that, click on three dot icon, click on remove device. After that, restart your PC, and again after that go to settings, click on Bluetooth and devices, click on add device, click on everything else, add your controller over here, and after that check whether it's working or not. Next is to enter big picture mode. So if you just have to go to Steam, under library section select your game, and in the above section you can see enter big picture mode. Simply click on it. Now after that, select the game, click on the play button. After that, click on Steam, click on power and click on exit big picture mode. Now after that, try to check if the gamepad or controller is working or not. So these are few suggested solutions to fix dead as disco gamepad or controller not working issue. So that's all from in this video. Thank you.